So in this course, I have tried to explain you two things. Number one, how to create your Fiverr gig with an effective SEO method. Number two, I have shown you that how to contact Fiverr support for any sort of issue and what are the things that you must keep in mind while explaining your issue to get the best results for your case. So let's talk about the first thing first, which is Fiverr gig SEO, and then we will discuss the second thing. As our this method worked most effectively in SEO manners and we remained successful to rank our gig on third page. But you must keep in mind that this is my personal experience and on applying the same method, results for you can differ from mine. So if your results remain same like mine or not, you must keep the standards of your services high because there will be hard time in the beginning that you are going to face until your first couple of orders. And if your services standards remained lower than average, then you will lose the chance to getting successful on Fiverr, as all the hard work that you have done to reach those first couple of orders will go in vain, and then you have to start from scratch again. Now let's talk about the second thing, which was contacting to Fiverr support. What are the things that we must keep in mind while contacting Fiverr support, and or how we can contact Fiverr support in most effective way? There would be lot of things for which you will need to contact Fiverr support. The basic thing could be the cancellation of orders, and it will be very simple, in which you have to mention the order number and the reason, and the required things will be done. But if you face the condition which I have faced in this course, like gig modification, then you must take it very seriously and explain your case with maximum explanations. And also you must choose the words in your email which shows some very good amount of confidence. And I believe if you have done the both things, the chances will be higher that the decision will comes in your favor.